Papaya leaf for hair growth. Papaya, also known as pawpaw, is a fruit-bearing tree. Papaya leaf marks and juice are often used to improve hair growth and scalp health. Papaya leaf contains several compounds with antioxidant properties such as flavonoid and vitamin E. Application of papaya leaves can benefit your hair growth process. How to use papaya leaf for hair growth? Get some papaya leaf. The quantity should be based on the volume of your hair. Same with the water. Add some quantity of water and blend till it's smooth. Sieve to prevent particles. Add any oil of your choice in an appropriate quantity. Apply on your hair and let it sit for 30 minutes. Rinse it out with warm water. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.